Hello everyone, welcome to IK Tech. The Samsung Galaxy A6 2018 has a semblance to last year's Galaxy J7 Pro in terms of its size, design, and its internals. Similarities aside, the Galaxy A6 2018 gets a few key upgrades, which include front and rear cameras borrowed from the Galaxy A8 2018, an infinity display, and Dolby Atmos. What make the Galaxy A6 2018 distinct aside from the Galaxy S9's camera and fingerprint scanner module is that it is one skinny phone. Huawei P20 Lite, also known as a mid-range selfie-focused smartphone that comes packed with features and performance. At a glance you can see that the display of the Huawei P20 Lite features a display notch that houses the earpiece, proximity sensor, as well as the 24-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear you will be pleased to see that the back is glass as well. The screen of the P20 Lite is bright, contrasty, and it also features a full-view display design. The P20 Lite comes with USB Type-C speaker and 3.5mm audio socket, while the Galaxy A6 comes with micro USB hub and 3.5mm headphone jack. The Galaxy A6 supports dual SIM plus SD card, while the Huawei P20 Lite supports dual SIM or single SIM plus SD card at a time. The Samsung Galaxy A6 2018 gets a 5.6-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display, while the Huawei P20 Lite gets a 5.84-inch HD Plus IPS LCD, which is definitely bright and full of contrast. Look at the device score of both devices. The P20 Lite has a higher score than the Galaxy A6 2018 in terms of all. If Huawei has the Kirin 659, Samsung has the Exynos 7870 as its go-to processor for its mid-range phones, even if it is more than 2 years old. Paired with 3GB and 32GB internal storage, while the P20 Lite comes with 4GB and 64GB. Both devices have face unlock features, which is quite fast on both devices. The P20 Lite can recognize the face in dark, while the Galaxy A6 can't in dark. Here is the samples of front-facing cameras of both devices. The P20 Lite has 24-megapixel front camera, while the Galaxy A6 features a 16-megapixel f1.9 front camera. Talking about the rear cameras of both devices. The Galaxy A6 2018 with 16-megapixel f1.7 snap tends to struggle a bit when it comes to low light. The P20 Lite take decent pictures as well with its 16-megapixel plus 2-megapixel rear sensor. P20 Lite with dual cameras sensor can blur the background compared to Galaxy A6 camera shot. As for features, the Galaxy A6 get a Pro mode, Sports mode and a dedicated night mode if you want to get decent low light snaps from the rear camera. The Huawei P20 Lite is a great selfie camera smartphone with its 24MP front camera as well as 16MP plus 2MP rear camera. The P20 Lite also support fast charging. The Galaxy A6 2018 is a strong contender from the South Korean company. Having features like Dolby Atmos, an impressive battery life, and a skinny aluminum unibody build, along with cameras inherited from the Galaxy A8 2018. Please like the video and subscribe to IK Tech.